Learn fruits names for kids. Let's start now. Apple, apple, apple. Mango, mango, mango. Banana, banana, banana. Orange, orange, orange. Grapes, grapes, grapes. Pineapple, pineapple, pineapple. Strawberry, strawberry, strawberry. Berry, berry, berry. Watermelon, watermelon, watermelon. Avocado, avocado, avocado. Pear, pear, pear. Apricot, apricot, apricot. Kiwi, kiwi, kiwi. Papaya, papaya, papaya. Peach, peach, peach. Lychee, lychee, lychee. Fig, fig, fig. Coconut, coconut, coconut. Pomegranate, pomegranate, pomegranate. Lime, lime, lime. Dragon fruit, dragon fruit. Custard apple, custard apple. Plum, plum, plum. Jackfruit, jackfruit, jackfruit. Star fruit, star fruit.